Alright guys, this is Sly of the Fat Bike Club. So today we're gonna do the cycling path in Gatineau, that way. So basically, we're sitting on Scott Boulevard at the Bayview train station right here. And this is where you have to find that bicycle path that leads to Gatineau. So that way. So basically, Scott Boulevard, Bayview station, bicycle path towards Gatineau. So we are in Ottawa right now. And you see downtown is that way. All right. So today we're going to Gatineau, that way. All right, guys. So when you're at the Bayview train station, you have to locate that bound. All right. Okay. And you have to turn right. Turn right towards Gatineau. That would be here. So this is the crucial point here when you're approaching that bridge that looks like a train bridge. You have to hook a left. This is where you go to Gatineau. You have to hook a left. This is what it looks like to cross. It's pretty smooth. No rebound. So you see on the side Ottawa, downtown. Stop for a minute. Oh, the Parliament's is over there. Regular downtown buildings. All the way through. So that bridge, that little bridge, is the key to get to Gatineau. There's other bridges, but this one is really smooth because it's only for cyclists. As we continue on the bicycle path, you see there's another little kind of a train bridge over there. So it's kind of windy, so the sound might be a little bit of but all in all, it's a smooth bicycle path. So as it looked like a train bridge, basically it was used for a train in the past, but they converted it into a bicycle path or walking through. And it sits just in the back of downtown Ottawa. Yeah. So my gut feeling says go to the east here, or the right. Try to make a loop out of it. So now we're sitting on our regular bicycle path, fabricated in the middle of the wood, with a bit of curve and all, but very smooth. So you can do a road bike here, plenty of space. Gravel bike, road bike, fat bike, hybrid, you name it. Now we're gonna hit the street of Gatineau, downtown. So again, always construction, traffic, you know, be careful. So again, we're going to the backyard of the Parliament. So basically you're in Gatineau, but you have a better view of downtown Ottawa than if you would be on the Ottawa side. So this is the cheese of the bicycle path. Right now, this is the Canadian Museum, Musée de la Civilisation. So this bridge is to cross back to Ottawa, right? Again, the Parliament. So it's a nice bicycle path because you can actually see a lot of things on a one-shot view. So this is the map, the pathway of all the trails or walking through. Sentier des Voyageurs, pathway. So we're continuing east. We're not taking the bridge back to Ottawa. And there's another bridge here as well. So this is the Parc Jacques-Cartier. Très belle piste cyclable. Nice way to spend afternoon. So here you have a fork. Go back to the street or you go down. It's called Sentier des Voyageurs. You can follow through. It goes along the river. So there's a lot of ups and downs. And then another humongous park, empty, with security. I love it. So you can take a break here. It's called La Maison du Vélo. You know, there's a few parking spots to unload your bike or whatever. Picnic tables have a little bit of lunch, and they rent bikes. You know, so we always have that bike for sure. Again, this is Parc Jacques-Cartier. Jacques-Cartier Park for an easy access towards the bicycle path in Gatineau. If you find that place, this is your best starting point, or from the laying point that I started in the beginning in Ottawa. Now we're going back on the street, city action. So you can follow through straight up after if you want to do a loop. Straight up instead of circling back near the water. You see that it's long, straight, secured. So along the bicycling path in Gatineau, you will encounter the statue of Maurice Richard. So Maurice Richard, as a true French Canadian, made it in hockey for us, and as a Habs fan, Montrealer, French Canadian, very proud of this guy. Really, I saw his movie. I didn't ever see him play. I'm too old for that. But that was the guy. Really, like, unbelievable. He made history for the Canadian, and he made history for the French Canadian as well. So now we're heading back to Ottawa to make a loop on Boulevard du Portage, which is a bridge, and Rue Laurier. We just turn left. And that will be that for Gatineau cycling path.